O basta yung napag-usapan natin, be positive.
Uy, Pauline, kumusta?
Tita Penny,
hello.
Naku, ikaw nakikita ko yung pagda-diet-diet sa stories mo, ha?
Oo nga po trying to lose weight.
Parang hindi naman effective, tumataba ka pa din.
Nita,
Si
kumusta?
Andito ka pala.
Huwag ka na makinig. Okay lang yan. Tuloy mo lang. Tuloy mo lang.
Kakasabi ko lang. Oh, ibuti naman at may trabaho na pala tong si
Ay,
Mika.
opo.
Oo, IT. Oh, maganda, malaki ang sahod dyan. Maganda yan.
Start na po ako next week
Oo.
actually, tita.
Makakatulong ka na sa pamilya. I love it. Huwag kang tutulad dyan sa pinsan mong si Giselle.
Hala,
Batugan. Walang ibang ginawa kundi magdudot-dot sa cellphone kung sino-sino ang sinachat.
Okay
Hanggang madaling araw, gising. Kaya ikaw, huwag kang magsama-sama dyan kay Giselle. Naku, hayaan mo yan siya, masira ang buhay niya. Sandali. Oh no. Yung beef and mushroom tsaka yung fruit salad. Oh no. Napakasarap. Sino nagluto? Nako, simpleng luto lang yan, tita. Pero you wanna know what the secret is? I use Jolly products kasi for our Noche Buena dishes. Give your Jolly love this Christmas with delicious dishes made with Jolly. Oh, ito tita, gift ko na sa'yo. I hope you have a Jolly Christmas kasi hindi ka na namin iimbitahin next year. Yan na nga bang sinasabi ko? Yay! Oh, ito 500.
Thank you,
galing-galing
pa.
naman pala mag-sing and dance nitong si Junjun. Oy, paglaki mo, magiging isa kang theater actor, drag queen, Vogue. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, bading yung batang yan. Islay, Junjun, Islay! Ante, buti may ka mag-anak ka pa, no?
Oh, hi. Can I get a venti soy latte, please? Extra foam with whip, 3 shots of peppermint, extra hot. Thank you. Ate, pabiling kopi ko blanca. Yung dating creamiest, ngayon creamier na. Yung twin pack. Uy, paing, kanina ko pa hinanap sa inyo. Dito ko lang pala.
Well, well, well. It is time for another dessert worth gossiping about. For a dessert to truly win the hearts of your guest, it must pass the 3 M's. Madali, Masarap, and Madiscate. First, simply whip some Angel all-purpose creamer and Angel condensada in a bowl and whip until smooth and airy, with a touch of elegance, of course. Next, lay the graham crackers at the bottom of an 8 by 8 inch pan. Now remember, the base has to be perfect, just like the foundation of a very good gossip. Now pour some whipped cream over the crackers with some sweet, sweet mangoes on top. Repeat layering process 2 more times until you reach 3 layers. And finally, chill in the refrigerator overnight. Patience is key here, darling. Behold the mango ref cake. Madali, no need for several ingredients. Masarap, it is creamy, fruity, and scandalously delicious. And Madiscate, inexpensive and yet exquisite. Go on, try it. Just keep it between us.
Ang kaharian ng Almeria ay may bagong baby princess. Magkakaroon ng isang malaking piging sa palasyo. Bilang fairy godmother, ano ang reregalo mo?
I shall gift her with beauty, kindness, and bravery.
Taray nun sis, ang sweet girl ng sagot na yun ah. I shall gift her a pet to guard her. A beast from the netherworld. Its pitch black fur enables it to disappear into the dark of night. A sharp set of claws waiting. Yay! Thank you so much, Nerissa. That was intense. Yes, go ahead, Fernie. Ay nako, kilala ko yung mga parents na ganyan. Magpapakulong ganyan, magpapahanda, kesyo binyag. Magchat-chat pa yung mga yan sa akin, magpaparinig. Oo na, sagot ko na ang lechon. Inanunsyo ni Haring Reynald na naghahanap na siya ng mapapangasawa ng kanyang bunsong anak na si Princess Viola. Bilang mga fairy godmother, sino ang inyong irereto? I nominate Lord Valdor of the Northern Territory. Ha? Di ba yun yung chararat? Ay, sorry. Live ba to? A capable leader. Fit for the Princess Viola.
As much as I am eager as the king for the princess to find love, I'd rather allow her to find it on her own.
Bogs! Taray! Very beauty pageant ang atake mo dun, ate. Kaya manok talaga kita eh. Ay, sorry. Magkalaban pala tayo dito. Yes, Fernie, go ahead. Reto. Ay, may kilala ako. Anak ni Sister Arlene. Nako, fresh grad, pero magme-med school na yon. Oo, pogi yun, be. Tangkad, bait pa, laging nagmamano sa akin. Joshua, kung nanonood ka, hello, be. Nais pumunta ng iyong inaanak sa isang ball para makatagpo niyang muli ang isang prinsipe. Ngunit pinagbawalan siya ng kanyang stepmother dahil kailangan niya daw munang maglinis ng bahay. Ano ang gagawin mo?
I shall prepare for her a golden carriage, her dress blue as the sky, soft as the clouds, with a glass pair of slippers.
Oh. Well, I'm actually friends with her stepmother, and I think it would be very distasteful if I cross her. So I'm going to sit this one out. Siguro tutulungan ko na muna siyang maglinis ng house, kasi for sure, maa-award siya ni Step Mudra pag uwi ng bahay at hindi pa ito malinis. Dahil dyan, bibigyan ko siya ng Zonrox Multi-Clean.
Ha? Saan galing yan?
Direct commercial break po.
Pwede mong gamitin ang Zonrox Multi-Clean on various surfaces like laminated wood, metal, glass, plastic, at iba pa. It kills 99.9% of germs and viruses, and the scent, it lasts up to 48 hours. Kaya ang buong bahay, bangulinis. Almost magical, di ba? Pati kalayo, pe, ito, bigay mo sa alaga mo, hindi yung konsinti ka ng konsinti. Ikaw naman ni Risa, kalma mo, te, ang intense mo lagi, kaya ka-single hanggang ngayon. Aray! Ganon. Come on, wait. You dare.
Abara Kedavra.
Huwag po kayong alis. Babalik po ang Who's Your Fairy Godmother?
Oh my God, the last time I went out of the country, I was so panicking because,
Patingin ng panic?
like,
Ay, panic nga. O tapos,
because we were rushing out of the house.
Patingin ng rush.
But like,
magsasara na ang boarding gate.
yeah, we got there right on time.
Rush
But it
na.
was so complicated because like I was so hungry then at the time.
Patingin ng
and I had,
hungry.
like,
Paano?
Oh my God. Like,
Ay, kawawa naman. Pero parang hindi hungry.
no, like it was painful. Like,
Ay, kawawa naman ang...
parang inuuto mo na ako.
Oy, hindi Patingin mo yung passport mo. May! Ang daming stamp. Well-traveled yarn. Window 5, balik dito pagkatapos magbayad. Hi, next!
But I really wish you could come, friend.
Ate, susulat ka ate ha. Yung pang-maintenance ni tatay, yung jeep hindi pa natin nababayaran. Si kuya nasa kulungan.
Charot lang. Alam mo naman ako, friend, alipin ako ng salapi, kaya go lang. Update mo lang ako, ha.
Yeah, I'll just send you updates.
Internet mo pala dun. Paano?
That's easy. I'm going to activate my smart Gigaroam before I leave.
It's convenient, and having smart Gigaroam at your fingertips is the bomb.
Paano yun?
The bomb?
Siyempre, yung pag-activate ng smart roaming.
It's simple. All you have to do as a postpaid subscriber is call *888 to activate the roaming feature. And for prepaid subscribers, just text roam on to 333.
Dali lang naman pala.
Yeah.
Friend, I'm so excited for you.
Paano excited? Wow, excited nga.
Saan mo ako dun? Paganti ka dun.
Liquid? Oo! Sabaw! Hindi! Condiments! Hindi! Inumin! Juice! Oh, pwede! Alak! Hindi! Soft drinks! Oo! Kulay orange? Oo! Ang number 1 flavored soft drinks ng Pilipinas? Royal!
So show me how you level up your snack time.
But of course, my dear heart, allow me to show you how I level up mine. First, I've got brewed coffee from beans, hand-picked and roasted by the fairies themselves. Tableware, made from minerals mined from the moon. Mixed berries from the Garden of Eden. And speaking of Eden, here's my pangmalakasan snack. My blueberry cheesecake, with creamy taste and smooth texture, leveled up with Eden cream cheese. Bush. Yoli and her son is coming over for some snacks later today, and if this does not impress them, I don't know what will.
Nay, Marites, andito na kami.
Coming, dear.
Hala, ang ganda naman ang sit-up mo dyan,